get this one out, then the seat should be ready to come out. Then all we gotta do is start getting ready to wipe everything down. Yep. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, that seat is a lot heavier than I expected. Good. But now y'all can really see my floors, how they are welded. Everything is done. It looks fantastic, bro. I'm telling you, fantastic. That's for the seatbelt light. Okay. Yeah. So, like I said, we gotta start wiping everything down. It's really filthy up in here, but not that bad. And I need to get a new seat motor. Take this one off, get me a new seat motor. But yeah, we're finna go ahead, wipe everything down, like I said, and then throw the sound deadening down in the next video. So. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now y'all see the title, man. We finna go ahead and start prepping for this sound deadening. So this video we're gonna be removing the seats and wiping down the floors. Then the next video we're gonna go ahead and start laying down the sound deadening, and then that's really it, you know what I'm saying? So hope y'all enjoy this video. Like I said, all we're doing is removing the seats and we're gonna be cleaning the floors to basically just to prep, you feel me? That's exactly what the title say, prepping for the sound deadening. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Both of those is free, don't cost you nothing, don't hurt you, and it helps me keep growing, you feel me? Be able to bring y'all more stuff in the future. Share the channel, share this video. Well, after y'all subscribe, turn that post notification bell to all where y'all be notified every time I drop. As soon as I drop, y'all get that notification. Y'all click on the video, watch it, and enjoy it. And like I said, share the channel, share this video. Road to 5K subscribers, man, so I need y'all help. Y'all gotta subscribe, y'all gotta share, y'all gotta do anything y'all can to help me reach that goal, you know? And then we're gonna keep going from there, keep going and going and going, you know? On the net though, like I said, oh, I forgot to say, welcome back to the Cutlass rebuild series. And this is one of the main things, another one of the main things I need to get done, you know what I'm saying? Putting down the sound deadening. That way we are one step closer to getting ready to start laying down this carpet, you feel me? But I want to paint like the frame rails of the seats, and I need to get my console painted and my my column and the dash. I need to get all that painted before I lay the carpet down. That way the last step will be getting the seats done, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy this vid, and we finna get right into it. You know what I'm saying? All we're doing is, like I said, taking out the seats and then wiping down the floors and making sure everything is clean, nice and clean and good to go. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna start, like I said, laying down the sound deadening. So first step, we need to get ready to start getting these seats out of here. So catch y'all in 1 second. All right, y'all. So first step is to doing this is, y'all know, we gotta remove the seats. So that's what we finna do first. Let me go ahead and lay y'all down there. All right, now I gotta see. I think it might be a 13. Yep. 13 millimeter. Get these seats off. Actually, I'm gonna use my extension for this one. All right, seat, well, not seat one, but first bolt is off. All right, move on to this side. I don't know if y'all can see, so click the light. I'm telling y'all, it was one of the best investments I ever made. And these bolts weren't even all the way down, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? Which is fine. Dang, these freaking bolts keep getting stuck in my socket. There we go. All right, first two out. Now we gotta get these back two. Oh snap, these back two might be hard. feel like one of them not even in. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to see because I can't really see. Oh. I don't see another boat. I'm guessing it's just this one here. Yeah, it is because the seat broke on this side. So it's just this one. Alright, so now I gotta get my wrenches. So, yeah, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave y'all running. Y'all stay 1 second. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Let's go ahead. Get my 13. Alright, let's try and get this one off. I'm not able to get it by hand. Yep, we get it by hand. Get this one out, then the seat should be ready to come out. Then all we gotta do is start getting ready to wipe everything down. Yep. Oh, this is heavy. Oh. Yeah, that seat is a lot heavier than I expected. Good. But now y'all can really see my floors, how they are welded. Everything is done. It looks fantastic, bro. I'm telling you, fantastic. That's for the seatbelt light. Okay. Yeah. So like I said, we gotta start wiping everything down. It's really filthy up in here, but not that bad. And I need to get a new seat motor. Take this one off, get me a new seat motor, because this one's broken. It don't work. Look, pieces. When I first started looking at the seat, this was off already, just sitting on the floor like that. So I need a new seat motor to be able to adjust my seat how I want it, even though it's at a pretty good little spot, you know what I'm saying, but I still want to get it. But yeah, this my floors all nice and welded. Got this seat out fairly quick. Now we gotta go to that side. I gotta move all this stuff. And just set everything out of the car for now. And I gotta unlock that door. Alright. Get that out. Grab my towel, because I will be putting my towel back in after I put the sound deadening down. Grab my towel, sit my towel there, and I'll catch on once I get on that side. So y'all sit here. Alright, hold on. Move all this stuff out of the way. Y'all see I got all this stuff down here. Move all this. Alright. So, oh shoot, that broken lock. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Hold on. I'm trying to make sure my interior lights stay off. But yeah. Other than that, man, get this seat off. Get this seat up out of here. These seats ain't even down all the way. None of the bolts are down. Literally all of them is just enough so the seat won't completely fall out of the car. Look at that. Barely even twisted. Not taking any effort whatsoever. Well, there ain't no bolt back there. This one only had 3 bolts. So now I gotta go and get my cleaning material so I can clean these floors, and then like I said, next video we're gonna go ahead and do the sound deadening. So hold on, y'all. I want to get y'all a quick look before and after. Alright, my tool. Alright, so quick little before and after. Y'all look at that. Quick little before and after. I wish I had a vacuum. I don't have no vacuum here, unfortunately. Get that out of the way. That's really what I need though, is a vacuum. Clean these floors. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, wipe everything down like I said, and then throw the sound deadening down in the next video. So y'all stay tuned and I will catch y'all once I'm finished cleaning. Alright y'all, so the floors are now clean with that. Nice and clean. I vacuumed a little bit, best I could with the vacuum that we had, you know what I'm saying? The vacuum we have ain't that perfect. So yeah, just had to use, like I said, what we had. Floors are nice and clean, and I'm gonna let them air dry for a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start laying the sound deadening. Look there. Nice and clean. Looking good. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments how y'all feel about it. Like I said, we now have a full floor. And another thing I noticed is, let me take y'all off the tripod. I looked under the car in the well, not the last video, but today I looked under the car and the bottom of the floor pans are painted. So now all I gotta do, well, let me turn my light back. Turn the light on. See? So the bottom of the floor pans are painted. So all I gotta do is paint my frame. So that'll be one of the next steps we gonna do, you know what I'm saying, after we finish this interior job. The seats ain't gonna be getting wrapped as fast, but by interior job I mean sound deadening, painting the console and the dash and the column, and then trying to custom make my own little top door panel. So that's what I mean by interior job, not seats being wrapped and stuff. Oh, I forgot I gotta paint these too. So yeah, it's still a lot we gotta do, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, like I said, y'all leave y'all opinion in the comments. Take my shoes off to get in here because I don't want my bottom of my feet tracking no dirt. And I'm gonna sit on the back seat, just like that. So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the floors being clean. And like I said, I definitely wanted to do this before laying down the sound deadening because I ain't want none of the dirt to just stick to the bottom of the sound deadening, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, we're putting sound deadening just on these floors, front, rear. I might like try to do a little bit in the middle there, and then front and rear over here. And then I'm gonna put one across this middle. Not putting one under the console, even though the console is bolted down. I'm not putting one under there, and if I have some extra, then I'm gonna probably throw some in the trunk later on, but not today, you know what I'm saying? Today, I just wanna finish getting the floors done. So, yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it, how y'all think it came out. Personally, I think it came out really good. I think it looks really good. And yeah, we just gotta, like I said, go ahead and throw the sound deadening on, then I can go ahead, throw my seats back in here because this is a little uncomfortable, gonna be honest with y'all. So yeah, got that done. So catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright y'all, so like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments how y'all feel about the floors being clean. Like I said, now we prepped and ready to lay down the sound deadening, and I'm excited to get it in. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never put sound deadening in the car. My box Chevy don't have sound deadening. My Charger don't have sound deadening, so it's my first time doing it. Like I told y'all, I'm really going all out with this car. I was gonna put some on the door panels, but the door panels got too many grooves and then a little too many holes, so I don't feel like working around that. I don't feel like doing it, so I'm not gonna worry about the door panels. Just the floors is all I'm doing, and I really don't have to put sound deadening in here. I just seen a lot of people when they rebuilding their cars. I've seen a lot of people do it, and since the carpet's already out of this car, and you feel me, we redoing everything, might as well just try something new. You know what I'm saying? Throw some sound deadening in here, do something different. You feel me? So yeah, like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinion. I'll show y'all one more time. All we did was clean this video. Next video, we throwing the sound deadening in, which, like I said, is gonna be my first time doing something like this. I ain't never done nothing like this. I ain't never done this before, so it's gonna be a new experience. I got a roller already. I've been had a roller, so we're gonna be using the roller. But yeah, like I said, y'all leave y'all opinion in the comments how y'all feel about it, how y'all think it came out. Like I said, all we did was clean the floors, man. So yeah, it ain't nothing too crazy. But we are finna go ahead and start throwing the sound deadening in. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because I'm excited to get to this next one. So we're finna get right into it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified till I drop. It's all free, don't cost you nothing. Share the channel, share this video, so we can keep growing and elevating together, man. Roll to 5,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and share the channel, share this video, all you can to help me hit that 5K goal. But yeah, other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all like the clean floors. You know what I'm saying? For the time being, it's gonna be the last time we gonna see the floors black, because now we finna get ready to throw the sound deadening down. So yeah, man, I'm very, very, very excited to get this in. And like I said, it's one of the final steps to before I get ready to start throwing my carpet in. Besides, you know what I'm saying, finish painting. I gotta paint all this stuff before I throw that carpet down. But yeah, seat's not gonna get wrapped before the carpet gonna get down before the seats get wrapped. So yeah, seats getting wrapped is gonna be one of the final steps with like paint and stuff. So yeah, y'all just gotta stay tuned, be patient, and I hope y'all enjoy. Love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.